everyone, it's me Srijita. Welcome to the Computer Girls channel. So today I will tell you how can we decorate or how can you make and animate your name on Scratch. So guys, I know there's already a tutorial on this topic on Scratch, but we are going to make much more better than that video. So let us get started and I'll show you some more twists I on my own added on that game. So let's start. So when you start Scratch, you get a screen like this, right? Now let me tell you how do we animate our name. So first we will rename our name. So today I am animating the name called Kiana. It's just an example. Whatever is your name, just animate it. First step is to add a backdrop. Means match your personality and add your backdrop. If you are a person who likes to be a teacher, you can choose this chalkboard background. If you're a person who is just great at sports, you can select any one of these. We can even select the basketball. If you're a person who just likes to go underwater, so you can select this one. This is always good. And if you're a person, if you want to go to scratch some like some universe kind of something, you can always select this backdrop. So today I am coding for Kiana's name, so she is already dreaming to go to galaxy. So I think this background will match her personality. So let's get started. So the name we are animating today is Ki A Na, right? So this name are we animating today. So tell me, what is the first letter of this name? It's absolutely K. So we will choose a sprite. We will go to letters, and there are so many letters and so three different styles. So you can choose a K. I will choose this K, and whatever is your name, just add the letters like this. And here we go. I will just quickly add a like I also. We need a I then. Na? Let me add a I here. Great. And then let me add a N also. Okay. And just you can adjust the size also. But before that, I just forgot to add the A. So let me just add the A. So the A is here, right? Where is the A here? Here is the A. You can adjust your style and the font size as you want. I want this a little thick and big style. So now I want a N. So I'll just go here and pick up the N. And lastly, I will pick up again. I will pick up a A. Now this time I am making the A as a glow A. So we are all set and done. Now let's get coding. Now for the K, first we will start with a when click. Now go to sounds and we will add this sound. We will go to loops and there is a sound called bossa nova. Let's add it. I really like this. So now I want when click forever start sound bossa nova, but this will cause a problem. So to stop that, go to sounds and you see this thing and written under bossa nova 6.22. So that is the duration of the song. So if the song is for 6.22, we will give forever start sound bossa nova. The sound is named 6 point width for 6.23 seconds. And now see, there's not a glitch. But if you remove this weight, you see this? And I hope the sound's being shared. Let me share the sound. Yeah. If we have the weight, it's not causing a problem. But if we do not have the weight, you see this terrible sound? Okay, let's keep the weight here. Now let's add for the like animation. So I will just code that when green flag click, make a new one. Forever check if, go to sensing, touching mouse pointer, then you are going to change your color effect by 25. Yeah, and also see here is a result. Isn't it cool? And also you will, okay, as it is under the when clicked, right? So what will we do is, yeah, this is perfect, right? Now let's pick the if else and transfer these blocks to the if else. So we will do more advanced animation when we do the next tutorials. So in our else, let's fill it with clear graphic icons. So I am shooting this video live. I have no planning, so I can even make mistakes, and with my mistakes you can also make mistakes and learn from those mistakes. So let's great. Now let's just copy the code. We will copy the code by pressing on this when green flag or the code and just pressing Control plus C on your keyboard. And then let's go to the next letter, which is I. Now the thing is same, but here we are changing just it to fish I by 1, sorry, by 5. And also we are going to change the color effect also with it by 10. Okay, let's see. So it's basically working like this. Let me set the fisheye to 3. Okay, this is how it works. Now let's test. Great. Now let's add the code for story A. I have already copied that code and I'm pasting it in story A as well. So if I receive this and okay, let us meet. Ah, great, great. Okay. Well, this is perfect. And Pixelate is also going great. And just when also code when clicked forever for the story A. If else again, one if else. If again you are touching mouse pointer, this is a separate code. You just wait for 5 seconds and then you will clear graphic effects or already get the graphic effects clear. So it's something like this, and if you even if you want to code for color, so the girl I'm coding for is a very colorful girl. So I'm coding with colors also today. Now let us code for the N. So for the N, we are going to code something very, very special. Today we are going to code for the L. So I wanted that you are going to set your size to 100, right? And then set your size to 110. But between the set sizes, I want an interval of weight 0 0.0, 0.0.1, right? Now let us test. Good and great, but I want to know. See it here. How is this changing? Now let's change the color of the packet. Wow, It's a very nice change. Now I want this A to move up and down, up and down. So what I will do is just to make it move up and down, and also let me fix this thing that it will set its size again back to 100% only. So this is the current location. So let me just take the current location, go to of this A, glow A at the last. So if touching mouse pointer, I just want to figure out that it will change its Y by 10. Then it will wait for 0.1 seconds and it will again change its Y by 10. Okay, basically minus 10 here. And else not clear graphic effects, else go to the normal position you are in. But I wanted to go a little slowly, so I am giving 8 only. And also after this you give wait 0.2 seconds and you change your Y by 20. Okay, that will be more interesting, I think. And also do one color effect or something like that, or it won't be a fun, right? Just you do color effect by 20. Nice. Now let me put this clear graphic access also. So now we are ready with the post. So here's how this game works. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to share it, to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So meet you in the next video, guys. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye everyone.